There's one thing that most people are looking for whenever they make a purchase from you. And that one thing is they're looking to solve their problem. If you can help somebody clear up their skin, if they have pimples, even 10% better, you can change your life financially. So imagine your PDF guide helping somebody tips to improve themselves 10%. They just get 10% better, look 10% better. Their skin get 10% clearer. You can easily sell that for $47, $57. And by doing that, you have to ask yourself how many other people have this same problem if one person got this problem. And the answer, you can easily say 100,000 plus. I've sold templates. I've sold printable stickers, printable wall art. You name it, I have sold everything. But solving problems is the thing that never fails me and that always makes money no matter what. So the top thing that you can do if you are wanting to solve problems is you focus on a lead magnet. And this lead magnet is meant to give people exactly what they need to be curious about what else that you have to offer. So this looks like this. You give away a freebie of a checklist. If you want to repair your marriage, this is the checklist that you'll need. These are the things right here that you need to stay on top of. So it'll be a list of different things that they need to stay on top of. And they'll have to opt in order to get this information. Now, if they don't opt in, of course, they won't get this information. After they opt in, you can hit them with a follow-up email sequence. Now, this follow-up email sequence can be automatic. And this automatic sequence, of course, can be 5 days worth of automated emails, 7 days worth of automated emails, or whatever it may be. And on day, let's say 5 and 6, or 6 and 7, you can include a paid PDF that's going to really help them go to the next level. So they got the checklist. Now they have more information with your paid PDF for $47, $57. And you're making money for everybody to make a purchase. I remember making like $70,000 selling printable wall art. And I made it in like 3 months. That was cool or whatever, until I seen that I made over $700,000 solving problems with simple little PDFs. Of course, many people will say, I would love to make $70,000, but the 70K was not easy to make because it wasn't solving problems. People will stumble out of bed and say, maybe I'll buy some printable wall art today, or maybe I'll wait till next week to buy it. It's just really not that important. I have this space right here in my house, but maybe I'll fill it, maybe I won't. Versus they have some love handles that they're insecure about, and there's a wedding that's coming up, or there's this certain event that's coming up, and they are shaking in their boots and they're nervous and they're panicking. And this PDF may help them solve this specific problem. So whenever you compare the two, you'll see why one makes a lot of money versus the other one can make a lot of money, but it's not as easy and it's not as simple to make the money. So solving problems over the last 17 years is what changed the game for me. And of course it can for you as well. So if you are somebody that's not really making money online and you are not even making $100 a month, you just got to ask yourself, starting right now, what problem can I solve? What can I package today? What problem can I solve in order to make even $3 $47 sales a week? Because I can promise you this, there's people on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, every platform you can think of. There's people that have problems. There are people that have problems with their relationships. Their marriage is falling apart. They have pimples, they have love handles, you name it. There's problems to be solved. And there's one way to solve it and monetize it. And that's packaging a product and selling it to them. You don't have to sell it immediately. You can give them that lead magnet. And once they're on your email list, once they're in your database, then you can sell them your product, even if it's $7. And that's another thing. A lot of people sleep on $7 products. But I've personally made tens of thousands of dollars a month with $7 products, because these are products that most people are not thinking about purchasing anyways. They're just buying them instantly. So if I can sell a $7 product to 10 people a day, that's $70 a day and $2,100 a month. So imagine that compounding over and over and over. This right here is the power of selling low ticket products like $7 to $47 or even $57 that solve problems. So again, This is what you want to be focused on this year and every year after. You don't want to focus on selling any kind of cute Canva templates. Now, I personally sell Canva templates, but guess what? I got 9 other products out of 10 that are solving problems. So if you see me selling some kind of little Canva templates or some kind of little printable stickers or something like that, you best believe 95 to 97% of my product line is still solving problems. So this is exactly what you want to focus on if you want to make money, if you want to grow your income. You want to do this immediately and you want to hit the ground running right now. If you are somebody that wants to, of course, sell PDFs that solve problems, if you want to get your hands on the PDF, the sales page, the thank you page, the training, and everything else that you possibly need in order to succeed with what I'm talking about right now, that link will be in the description to PDF Vault. That's why I built PDF Vault, in order to help you help others solve problems.